You want that?
Isn't it so nice?
Oh my god. Nice.
Honestly.
Guys, good morning. Andito kami sa Ikea kasi naghahanap kami ng mga chairs pero wala kaming nagustuhan. Tingnan lang natin. Ito yung maganda. But it's so plastic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looks so ugly.
Yeah. It looks nice in the picture.
I don't know. Maybe in the picture. Not nice.
But not nice in action.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
That is nice.
Nice.
Isn't that nice?
No.
It's not gonna break.
It will gonna break. Look at that, guys. It is so risky.
Nah,
You're risking the chair.
nah, it's built like that.
Huh? You want that?
Isn't it so nice?
Oh my god. Nice.
Honestly.
Nice. Really?
No.
This one then. This one. It's a plastic. No, it's a plastic. What's good about Ikea is you can get it the right away. Like you don't need to order it. Because if you buy to the other stores, then you need to wait like how many weeks, Mala? 15 weeks?
Yeah.
Like 15 weeks order. So that's a lot. And we can't decide yet. And the other stores are so expensive, like 10,000 each pesos. So that's a lot. Maybe we can buy a bench. Hello. Can buy a bench.
Bench. That is quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, but you told me that it doesn't fit.
There's a little bit wrong color on the wood.
Yeah.
Is it?
Maybe we buy the one in Shaidar. Nah, it takes so long.
Yeah, it takes a long time to get. If that had been steel instead.
Still.
That
Or
would
we
be-
can buy say.
Huh?
Like,
You do that. And that one fits good with the couch. It's almost the same fabric.
yeah.
We buy that next week then?
Get my salary next week.
Yeah.
Gonna
Or
buy
we
3.
just be the TV bench.
That's nice. 1,200. It's nice. Try to sit on them. Did you try? It's nice.
It's nice to sit on. And
Don't shake
it
it.
doesn't break.
I don't like. Oh, nine.
No. Can I sit?
Oh my god. Nine. Nine.
It's
Oh my god, nine.
No. That is not built.
What if you have visitors that is a little bit heavy? Nine.
It's wrong color.
Finally, we found a chair. But the one in Shredder, was it also like 1,000?
On 5.
Yeah, but it takes a lot of time. Like
Yeah.
where we ordered our table, oh my god.
But
like
they have
3
some
months.
discounts.
They have discount?
Yeah, like buy 5 and get 6 for free or something like that.
Oh,
But still, it takes 8 weeks, at least 8 weeks
yeah,
to get it.
it takes a lot of
We
time.
can't wait till then.
Can we put legs on that?
No, this is so cool.
I got that. We're looking for
That is too small because our
Sky?
the space is like this.
can you, is it 80?
80. So our space there's 100.
Oh yeah, it's 80.
But this has a better height though.
Yeah, that's a better height.
Maybe we can have this to store stuff here then.
It doesn't look nice.
It doesn't look nice.
We have also other colors like wood and a black.
The good with this one is that it's 48.
Yeah.
So it fits very good.
Like we're looking for a cabinet that fits on the entrance. So I guess that this is 80. This is 82. This is 82, my love. This is 82. A little bit bigger.
2 centimeters.
Yeah. And there's a little bit accent with black that fits in our cabinets. And it's soft when you open it. But you don't need to mash it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's nice. Huh?
It doesn't look so cheap.
No, it's nice.
Yeah, buy that.
Yeah, get that.
1310. Do you remember that?
1310.
Yeah,
Ouch.
1310. I think then you
There's a
get,
lot of space there.
unless you can put a little bit force.
Oh, nice. Oh my god.
A little bit with that. Right. Maybe. No, it's the same. No, it doesn't fit so good there.
It's so weird.
But I should have.
Why they're making like that if it doesn't fit?
This is for some other cabinets.
How about this? But they don't have sample.
Maybe it's one of the doors. Yeah, like that.
Oi! That one. Why it's like that? Maybe the other side.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah, there. But there's a lot of space.
yeah, then I can have something bigger there.
Is there a lot?
Where was that blue then?
I don't know. But I guess they're just the same with this. With this there.
Yeah, of course.
But are they the same?
Yeah.
But why it fits? How tall is it? Oh yeah, 108. So stupid. Tree? That?
But it's just 2 shelves. Or you buy 2 and put it together. Oh.
Is it 4?
Yeah, it's 4 shelves. Oh yeah. That's 6.
Here in Ikea, guys, you need to pick up the pieces, so you will be the one to assemble it. And it's by piece here, so now we're looking for the doors and the shelves, I guess. Shelves and the doors.
6:30.
Huh?
Nothing.
You're not talking to me now? Oh, so cute. I got the pieces there. So we're looking for the pieces of the TV cabinet. What? 33? There, at the last. But, why it's white? There. Guys, ito pala yung napamili namin. Iyan. At saka, yun. Ito yung sa TV cabinet and yung, ano ba yung sa, yung drawer para sa entrance. So, grabe. Yung IKEA kasi, ano siya, cheaper, tapos you can get it anytime, anywhere in Norway, kasi nga meron silang, they have a lot of stocks. And then kasi pag order kami sa ibang store, it takes like 3 months, like that. Yun yung nangyari sa namin, table at saka sa sofa, tagal dumating. Hi guys! Andito na kami sa apartment at ito yung mga napamili namin. So, tingnan niyo. Yan, tapos i-assemble pa namin yan. Tsaka ito. So, yung chair guys, next salary na lang namin yun kasi mas mahal siya eh. Kaya next week kasi sweldo next week ko eh. Next week ako yung sweldo ko.